Alright, so the slope point form of a linear equation is another way in which a linear equation can be written. You may be familiar with the slope intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Maybe you're familiar with standard form. There's different ways you can write linear equations. Slope point, or point slope, is one of them, and it's pretty useful. Here's how it basically works. Um, y and x are just y and x like normal. Um, so, but you've got this point. It basically gives you information about a point on the line and the slope. Hence, it's called point slope. So, if you've got a point x1, y1, um, then the equation works like y minus the y coordinate of the point on the line equals the slope times x minus the x coordinate of the point on the line. That's basically what that's saying. So, for example, if I've got this equation here in point slope form, what do I know? I know that that 3 is the y coordinate of is the y coordinate of one of the points on the line. Because y minus y1, that's a y coordinate of a point on the line. So y minus the y coordinate there equals 5. Now that's the slope. So the slope is 5. I should say m. And this is x minus the x coordinate. So the x coordinate that corresponds to this y coordinate is 7. So just looking at this equation, I know the point 7, 3 exists on this line, and I know that the slope is 5. So, I could, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I know that point is there. I know the slope is 5, so I can use that to graph the line. So it's a nice little form because it shows you two very important pieces of information right away. Now this point, it could have been. I mean, there's an infinite number of points on any given line, right? So these two numbers could have been something else. Let's see if the slope is 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So yeah, a rise of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a run of 1. So I know that point is also on the line. So what is this? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 2. I know that this point 6, negative 2 is also on the line. I could have written this equation so that it's, x minus 6 and y minus 2, minus negative 2. So any point on the line will work for the equation. What the equation tells you is one point on the line. Yeah. Okay, so that's the basic idea of the point slope form. It gives you the coordinates of one of the points that's on the line, and then it gives you the slope.